I'm standing here at number 19 Bruce Street on Lamb Island. It's a larger 708 metre squared block of land. Has roughly a 15 metre frontage and it's quite long. It is cleared. Also comes with a 20-foot shipping container and some fencing materials. So we have some fencing on this side here. It does have a soil report. So the front boundary roughly here. Sealed road, there's new houses being built in the area. Also has a brand new letterbox. So we're elevated here, we're in about the centre of the island. Halfway to the rec club, halfway to the ferry. The island's only 2 kilometres long, so very close.